Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Prebell with Team William India. Today, Feb 19, 2024, and a clear disclaimer is on the screen. Please go through it. Okay, so now let's start with Nifty 50 setup. As discussed last week, it's been really positive, especially after it rebounded from its 50 DMA. Things have been quite well for three consecutive sessions. There was a very good move. It reclaimed its 21 DMA on the Wednesday, then Thursday session it again went higher, and again on Friday the things were good. But now the most important part, which I already discussed last week, it's about reclaiming this level. So 215 hai, it twice around 22, 125, 126 it found resistance. So now I think the most crucial thing is to move above this level and give a closing. So once we close above this level, 22, 126, then we might see some more positive momentum broadly in the market, and we might make higher highs from there. On the flip side, if we found resistance here again, and third time we found a reversal from this 22, 100, 150, then we might see a fall again to 50 DMA. And if the 50 DMA is breached, the fall might be intensified further. But broadly, as of now, the things look quite stable as far as the Indian markets are concerned. There are no major negative in the global market as well as the Indian market. So there's no issue as of now in the markets. But yeah, broadly, you need to be very careful at if we are not able. Please do not. Someone is constantly asking for remote control. Please do not disturb the room. Okay, let's move ahead. So if you see the key news, then LIC is to receive rupees 21,740 crore of income tax refund, and that's a huge for the assessment year 12 to 20. So they will be receiving a huge amount for the income tax refund. Then Tata Power received a letter of interest from REC, Power Development and Consultancy, to acquire Jalpura Kurja Power Transmission for rupees 838 crore. CIE India will report its December quarter earnings today. Defense Ministry has this is something huge, has cleared capital acquisition proposal worth rupees 84,560 crore to boost the capabilities of the armed forces and Indian coastal guards. So broadly, this will be the focus on the Make in India only. The Indian products will be more under the focus, and they will gain a lot. So Titagarh Rail gets an order worth rupees 170 crore for 250 specialized wagons from the Defense Ministry. If you look at the global market, US market was not that good on Friday. It was a bit negative, but ऐसा कोई major sell off नहीं था. Broadly, Dow was down 0.4%, while S&P Nasdaq were around 0.8%. If you look at the Asian markets, Nikkei down 0.3%, while the Kospi is trading 0.8% higher. And if we go to the gift Nifty, so currently it's trading, this is future level, it's trading around 20 to 144. So it indicates a positive opening for the Nifty. And I think we might get a good positive opening of 30, 40 points looking at the current status. But let's see how it goes ahead. If you look at the chart of the day, then Astral looks really good. So if you see, it is forming a consolidation base, and from there now it is just 4% to pivot, if you see. And not only the base formation is good, but the EPS strength of 92. If you look at number of fund holding has increased, shares held by fund has increased, ROEs of 17%. और पिछले 3-4 क्वार्टर का अर्निंग्स देखो, there is constant growth, decent growth in the EPS as well as the sales. दोनों में अच्छा ग्रोथ है. Only thing is कि price trend of 31 is very poor. But अगर आप पिछले एक महीने में देखो तो वो RS लाइन ऊपर जा रही है. That means the price strength is improving, and that's really positive for the for any stock when you have the RS rating improving. So I think still it's 4% to pivot. So if we see more improvement in the relative strength while it covers this 4%, then when the stock breaks out, 0 to 5% is the ideal buy zone for the stock. Fundamentally, the stock is strong. Even the piping business quite good in the Indian market. The infra story, the expenditure by the government, there are huge infra projects going on. So the sales number is going to be robust, and the company is able to deliver good earnings. So that will be very good for the company. So just keep this one in the watch list. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.